Want to know how to check if a number is a Lychrel number in Java? So in this video, I'm going to show you how Lychrel number works and how you can find it. So a Lychrel number is a very interesting concept in number theory. It's a number that never becomes a palindrome, no matter how many times you reverse its digits and add them together. So in this code right here, our code keeps adding the number to its reverse up to 30 times. If it becomes palindrome in that process, it's not a Lychrel number. If it doesn't, we call it a Lychrel number. For example, 56 becomes a palindrome after just a one reverse add step, but 196 is suspected to be a 2 Lychrel number. Mathematicians haven't found palindrome for it even after millions of tries. So right here you can see we have used a for loop with a string to check if it's a Lychrel number. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.